See how many people there is. The place is absolutely buzzing with people. The shops, the sari stores, they've like double, treble the amount of alcohol they bought. You'll what? Poke me eye out, why don't you? You took me eye out with that. You know, I was saying, are you expecting rain? And it's to keep them from the sun. Now, if any Western woman come here, they wouldn't have an umbrella up. They'd want the tan.
Filipino wants white.
I know they want white. Mel's face is a little bit darker, which has put stuff on her face to stop it looking dark. I don't know.
You watch, we're not your soldier.
So we're here in Orban, guys. We're here in Orban, and Mel said to me, I said, but Mel, why we're going to Orban? There's food there. She says, oh no, I want something different. Right, come and look at the different food, guys. Rice, meat, pork, and what's that called again?
Buko salad.
Buko salads, beautiful. They put like that false cheese in it, it tastes really nice. So yeah, I'm not overwhelmed, Mel. I'm a bit underwhelmed, and it's boiling hot, guys. There's nowhere to sit. There's guys outside drinking. Hello, hello, hello. Lovely dogs there. So nice.
It again. I saw it again.
Oh my God. Isa loves her food. Don't try and separate Isa from her food. So it looks like there's more food in the shop than what there is here, man.
Because it's
well, if you knew that, why did you say you wanted different food? Only saying.
Them, not me.
Alright.
They want to see my mom.
Alright. Well, I haven't seen her before. So next it'll be later on, guys, at this shop.
Sorry, that's my mom. The mother of my mom. My grandmom adopted him when he was 3 years old. That guy outside.
Yeah.
When he was 3 years old.
Oh, very
He
good.
adopted.
Very good. Is it easy to adopt here?
Yeah.
Is it? No, seriously. Is it expensive to adopt?
No, of course not.
What do you mean, of course not? I don't know. I'm asking you. I'm not Filipino.
No, because you need to provide all the
All right,
things
calm
he
down,
needs or
calm
he
down. We
needs.
want no violence. The problem is with finishing this video off is there's so many karaoke's, and if we go near them, I'm going to be demonetized. It's 10:30 at night. Now all these, you can see how busy it is. This is going to go on till like 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning. I kid you not, right? There's not as many here drinking. There's some come from different parts, Iriga, Daet. They've gone to sleep, and they'll wake up and they'll come back and they'll start again. Now, just before we finish, guys, I want to say this is the first time since I met Mel I've not drunk anything, and I'm not drunk. Yay! Because I've stopped drinking. So anyway, you know Choc normally sells chicken. Well, he's selling ice today, and I said to Mel, this must be the only business you can see your money melt away. I thought that was quite funny, actually.
Yeah, it's funny.
So
We stopped the video, okay, guys?
yeah, we've stopped the video, so I don't get demonetized again, because you know it's bad enough. So you can see how busy it is. It was one way earlier on, but it's now two-way, and you can see how still busy it is. And this is going to go into like 1-2 o'clock.
Yeah,
But
morning.
her brother's not too bothered. He's got 5 boxes left, Mal.
Yeah. But
He says they'll all be sold by tomorrow morning.
They drinking.
They're drinking through the night. They constantly come to the Sari Sari store for beer. Her sister's double, treble what she'd normally have in, and she's selling it. She must be making a fortune today, I'm telling you now. This shop does seriously
Later, I will
well.
ask her if how much he made.
Yeah. So we're gonna hang around. I don't know for how long. I'm gonna let, because it's Fiesta, as long as we're up. My son's up.
Sophia, she sleep.
Myra's up. Sophia's gone to bed. Myra's washing. She can stay up as long as she wants. With my, well, as long as we're awake, she can stay up. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've really enjoyed it. I hope you've got a little bit of insight into the Philippines.
Yeah.
And these fiestas and these parties and these family get-togethers. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Honestly, it is. And this is one of many things I love about being in the Philippines. So again, as I always say to you guys, if you get the right girl, the right family.
I'm right, your girl.
Not really.
I will punch you.
Joke lang. Yeah, of course. Oh, here we go. Oh, more customer. Cool. You're really going to have a great life in the Philippines, and your pension will stretch at least double in the Philippines is what it will stretch in the UK, US, whatever, depending on, I mean, if you're ex-military, you're going to have a really good pension anyway, so what the hell do I know? So think about it, you know, but don't, please don't pick somebody online. You don't know who you're talking to, you don't know the background. If you're gonna pursue the Philippines, we recommend, not just me, we recommend you come here for at least 6 weeks, 2 months. Check out the family, check out the girl.
Not only the girl.
The Philippines isn't any different to any other place in the world, guys. You don't know somebody till you live with them anyway, but you're gonna get a better idea of who you're dealing with. If you deal with somebody online, you're probably going to get bit. You know, these bad girls, not the good ones, the bad ones will say whatever you need to hear to get whatever they need. Is that right, Mel?
Yes.
Yes. So that's it. I'm not going to rattle on. It's over to Mel.
Please hit the like button and
Please subscribe
and
share our videos.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, and Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jem Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albarjich, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination. Big thanks to all of you.